Hello fellow computer enthusiasts, welcome back to ILTP-WC. My name is Christian, hope you're doing well today. In today's episode we are on a roller coaster ride into the amazing world of Kubernetes, and all that in just 90 seconds. So buckle up and let's go! Kubernetes, also known as K8s, is an open source system for automating deployment, scaling and management of containerized applications. Born in Google, it's now maintained by the Cloud Native Computing Foundation. Kubernetes groups containers that makes up an application for easy management and discovery. Think of it as a conductor orchestrating your containers. Well, consider you have numerous containers running across multiple machines. Managing these manually is a daunting task. That's where Kubernetes comes to rescue. It efficiently handles scheduling and communication of your applications across a cluster of computers. Kubernetes architecture is made of nodes, which are machines running your application, and a control plane that manage these nodes. Applications run in so-called pods, the smallest deployable units that can be created and managed in Kubernetes. But what's special about these pods? Pods provide shared storage network resources and a specification how to run the container. A pod can encapsulate an application container, or in some cases multiple containers, storage resources, a unique network IP. Kubernetes also comes with services like a load balancer for distributing network traffic and volumes for data persistency. Deploying your application in Kubernetes is straightforward. You describe the desired state for your deployed containers, and Kubernetes does all the heavy lifting. This declarative approach gives you consistency, scalability, and availability for your application. Kubernetes might seem overwhelming at first, but it's really a game changer once you get the hang of it. Thanks a lot for watching this episode of ILTP-WC. If you like the content, please smash that subscribe button and also hit the like button. And if you have questions, please just write a comment in the comment section. I'm really looking forward to talk to you. Thanks a lot and bye bye.